My husband died and I have to pretend that he was a great man. 3 months ago, my husband Liam passed away. From the outside, everyone thought he was a great man, but to me, he was a nightmare. Soon after we got married, I became pregnant and was forced to give up my career. Liam was happy about it because he didn't want me working. He became the primary breadwinner. But that's when the control began. I couldn't spend a penny without his permission. Even for urgent needs, I had to beg him. I was even forced to do things I can't speak of just to get money from him. He broke me mentally to the point where, during the birth of my first child, I needed an emergency C-section. I know his daily mental abuse caused this. I remember one day he pushed me, and I thought I was going to lose my baby. On top of that, his best friend would often make me uncomfortable at home. His terrifying touches made my life even more miserable. I didn't have the courage to tell Liam because he would probably blame me instead. But after Liam's death, what I discovered completely shattered my world. Liam had secretly married another woman. He had left behind a massive life insurance policy for her.